A stock of the day. Look, not a lot of news to go on, quite frankly, corporate-wise today. We've had a couple reporting, but we thought we'd actually take a look at Star Entertainment. Has been, obviously, many difficulties facing the casino operator, with the Queensland government extending its licence suspension for its Gold Coast and Brisbane casinos until December. And this is going to give regulators more time to assess the results of the second Bell inquiry into operations of its Sydney casino. The brokers considering it is suffering from many uncertainties, which obviously investors don't like. That includes problems with the Sydney licence, the AUSTRAC penalty, and debt refinancing for its Brisbane project, as well as management changes. There is a lot to consider. And look, shares off just over 1.5% today. Jonathan, look, it's tricky. At the moment for, well, not just Star, we've seen this, of course, with Crown, given, both their operations have been examined heavily at the moment. So how do you view Star?
So it's just a case of, the market is uncertain about Star at the moment. So what's happened, as I read the actual announcement, is that they were going to make a decision about the suspension, and they've delayed that out to December. So it just means that it's more, news that they're uncertain of. If there's bad news, if they suspend the license, if they throw down a heavy fine, market can react to that because it's a known, and then they can readjust. In this case, it's just another more delays, and it just means that more uncertainty, and investors don't like that.
Well, in fact, I think you've actually brought some charts along today as well. So here is Star. So talk us through what you're seeing here.
Yeah, so this is a system that we use at MPC Markets. Kai's the quant in the group. Basically, he's back tested a lot of indicators, but just from that, the indicators pretty much tell you it's going down. so there's no magic in the chart that tells you that you'd want to buy it anywhere. With this delay in the decision, why would you deploy capital there?
All right. So, but if you're in it, would you keep holding or would you sell?
Well, that's a good one. I think there's better opportunities elsewhere. I mean, like we're talking 6 months of indecision. We don't know what's going to happen with this Bell inquiry, so I would sell it.
There you go, Judo.
Look, it is. This is a one for the deep value. I think if you take a 12-month view, share price would definitely be higher. But next 6 months, a little bit uncertainty. I would put this on a speculative buy. I think the company itself is, it has. Everything that can go wrong has gone wrong, and then got 2 inquiries. One has gone through, and then we're still waiting for the fine that is to be handed down. The expectation is from what we have seen with Crown and with the Sky City sort of fine. So we think the amount will be okay. When compared to expectations, and I think that should see share price actually rally on the back of that, and that is probably coming at some time soon. But the next review, of course, is going to take longer, and of course the license review and the like is just putting a bit more pressure on the near-term earnings. The business itself, the main gaming floor, is actually doing quite well. We're actually seeing growth finally in the main gaming floor, and that's positive for this company. And I do think in 6 months, you right now you're going through the trough of the earning, and then in 6 months you should see pretty meaningful turnaround in terms of earnings, as well as the launch of the Queen's Wharf, where how much that Queen's Wharf they can sell and the like. And right now it's pretty much valued at pretty much zero within the business. And remember, a lot of debt is actually sitting in Queen's Wharf, not inside the actual corporate business. So I'll put on a speculative buy. It is speculative, and then your investment horizon is probably about 12 months.
All right. Well, there you go. Jonathan, you can sell it. You can do your specky buy.